So we're going to go ahead and start number 1. So remember, this is 4 terms. 1, okay? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And all we're doing is adding and subtracting. There's no multiplication. All right? Who has their thing on? Come on. Mute yourself, please. So here, if you look at it, I got plus -2 minus a minus. Okay, so here you have a minus minus. Who is that? Not at their home. They're somewhere else. Minus a minus is plus. So basically, now what you got to do is combine like terms because we got minus 2x. We're good. So now let's go ahead and find the 3x cubed. 3x cubed y squared. Where else do I see x cubed y squared? Right there. So my answer is going to be x cubed y squared. But now I just need the coefficient. And remember, the coefficient is the number in front of the variable, the integer. So it's 3 and a plus 2. So what's 3 plus 2? So your answer should be 5. Okay? If you're going ahead, that's fine. Perfect. Okay? So we are done with these because there are no longer any more x cubed y squared. So I'm going to go ahead and x them out. Okay? The next one that I am looking for is x y squared. X y squared. So my answer is going to be x y squared. Make sure you put it down. Okay, now all I have to do is look at the coefficient. So the coefficient is -2 and also a -2. So what is my answer if I'm adding a -2 with another -2? I get a negative what? -4. Okay, and that's it. You're done. Okay, so for the most part, just go ahead and leave it alone. So that should be your answer. 5x cubed y squared minus 4xy squared. Okay? But mister, there's an x squared and an x. Yeah, but it's together. It's xy squared, so it has to be the same. Okay? Number 2. Okay? Number 2, I see that I have got to look for multiplication. Okay? Where's my multiplication? Do I see one? Well, -2 times oh, right here, mister. I'm going to go ahead and multiply that. So what's negative times negative? That's a positive. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Now, what about plus -5? Plus negative, you're not multiplying anything because it says plus -5 minus. So I'm going to go ahead and just put plus -5. Okay. And then what's the next thing? Is -4 times -3. Right there. There's another multiplication. So what's a negative times a negative? Again, that's what? Positive. See that? And then 4 times 3, 12. And then what do we do with the plus 2? What do we do with the plus 2? Let's see if I could pick on someone. Matthew, what do we do with the plus 2?
We bring it down?
Yeah, just bring it down. Very good, Matthew. Good job. Just bring it down. If you can't do anything with it, just bring it down. Now, I could do the t-chart for all of them if I want. I could do the t-chart for all of them. So I got what? What do I got? I got 6, right? -5 plus 12 and 2. So I could do a quick t-chart right here. You get this color. So 6 minus 5 plus 12 plus 2. But you see all these pluses? That's a total of 20. So now who won? Well, the positive, because there's 20 of them, but they won by 15. So there's your answer, 15. Now, here is where Matthew and other kids, Ethan, you did in your mind. This is where I don't want you to do in your mind, okay? Because you can't do that. So I want you to do this, and then I want to see which ones you're going to combine. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and combine the 6 plus the 12 plus the 2. You see how I put 2 lines? So 6 plus 12 plus 2 is 20 plus negative 5, right? And then you could do it in your mind. But I suggest you do your t-chart, all right, and which is a similar over here. So your answer is 15. Okay? Got it? Okay. So that's 2. So let me go ahead and pause the video so then you could write number 3 and 4. Okay, good. So now we're going to go ahead and do the first one. Okay? So the first one is 3 times x. So remember, you have to make sure you multiply first. All right? So you're doing the 3 times x. See? 3 times x. What's 3 times x? Well, that's 3x. Okay? Then the next one is minus 2 minus. So you just bring it down because it's just a minus 2. Now here, minus a minus 9x. Oh, that's a plus. Minus a minus x, 9x, so that's plus 9x. Plus negative 5, just bring it down. Again, plus, plus negative 5. So now what do I do? Combine like terms, okay? So combine like terms, what am I doing? The 3x plus what? The 9x. Why? Because they both have x's. So what's 3x plus 9x? 12x, right? That's easy. Now the next one is negative 2 plus a negative 5. Negative 2 plus a negative 5, which is what? Denise, what did you get for negative 2 plus a negative 5? Negative 7. Very good. Thank you, Denise. Negative 7. So that is my answer. 2 terms. Do not put 5x because the 7 does not have an x. Don't do that. Okay, I will trick you in one of the quizzes and I'll put 5x. Don't fall for the trick. All right. So far, so good? I think so. Okay. Now, the next one is number 4. Okay. If you're doing the box, I would suggest you do the box. I like the box because negative 3 times x minus 7. So I like doing this, x minus 7. So then I know what I'm multiplying. I know that I'm multiplying the negative 3, all right? But if you're going to do the arrows, just be careful, guys. Just be careful. It's negative 3 times x, right? And it's negative 3x. Negative times negative is a positive. Remember, take care of the sign first. And then 3 times 7 is 21. And that should have been in that box. What do I do with the plus negative 2? Yeah, all you have to do is drop it down. Drop it down because there's nothing you do with that. And then the next one is minus 21. Okay, minus 21. Okay, so there you go. All right, so now combine like terms. All right, the combine like terms, which means that you're going to do t-chart. Okay, you got the negative 3x and plus negative 2x. So Ethan, what do I get if I add negative 3x plus negative 2x? What do I get? Negative 5x. Very good, Ethan. Negative 5x. Well, Ethan, since I have you there, what about 21 minus 21? 0. So what should I leave? Should I put plus 0? Just don't put anything. Don't put, very good, Ethan. Don't put anything with attitude. Whatever, don't put anything. Gee. All right? I didn't have attitude, mister. What are you talking about? I'm just kidding, too. Come on. All right, go ahead. I'm going to stop real quick the video. And I'll give you my code. I guess, yeah, my code. Okay, so here we go. So the first one, okay, is negative 4y minus 3y minus 2 plus negative 10. So here we're looking for the multiplication. Mister, is this multiplication? Plus no, that's not multiplication. That's just plus -10. But mister, it has a parenthesis. Yeah, but you're not multiplying with anything. What about the first one, -4y? Leave it alone because you're not multiplying it with anything. However, here is where you are, right here. Okay, this one right here, -3, all this till the end of the parentheses. So I could do the arrows, okay, negative times a positive. So let me take that out. Let me take out the cloud because it's in the way. All right, there it goes. I'm going to go ahead and shade it green, okay? All right, so I have to do the multiplication first. So what do we get? We get negative times a positive is negative. 3 times 2y is 6y. Negative times the other negative is positive. And then go back. 3 times 2 is 6. Don't drop the 2, all right? Now, what do we do with the -4y? Yeah, we go ahead and drop it because there's nothing we're doing with that term. It's just by itself. Oh, why am I by myself? Don't worry, we'll hook you up right now with the other Y's, so you guys could all be a family. Oh, I miss my Y's. All right, so then you have plus -10. Hey, what about me? I'm a constant. Where's my family? Oh, don't worry, your family's right there. It's a 6. Oh, okay. Oh, that's very good. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. So now let's go ahead and combine like terms, right? Oh, where is she? Oh, there's my family. Oh, sister. Hey, where were you? Oh, I was upstairs. Oh, well, welcome. Okay. I guess we're gonna combine. And what are we gonna be? I think -10y. Oh yeah. Oh bye. Oh boy. So now it's -10y. See that? Because you're doing your t-chart. -4y, -6y, -10y. All right? Hey, how about me, eh? What's up with me? Hey, well, I'll go ahead and come with the 6, all right? What's up, man? What are we gonna do? Hey, well, I think we have to combine like terms. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, combine. And then what do you get? What do you get? Anybody? What do you get, eh? What do you get? Anybody? Come on, ese. What do you guys get? What do you guys get? Come on. Ethan, Denise, who else is in there? Mariah, Leah, what do you guys get? Anybody? Orale, what do we get, ese? Negative what? -4. I know you guys are shy. Come on. So do I combine these? No, leave it alone. There's your answer. All right. There you go. All one happy family. -10y minus 4. Okay. So far, so good. All right. Now, what do you see with the next one? The next one, oh, I see two distributive properties. See that? 5 times, I see all this, times -2y plus 3 up to the parentheses. But then I see another one. So then I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to see two different ones, right? So what do we do? Go ahead and do distributive property, the arrow. All right, so let's see the arrow. So here we go. 5 times negative is negative, and then 5 times 2y is 10y. Okay, the next one. Positive times positive is positive. Ooh, my voice. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so far so good, you guys? Yeah. All right, the next one. Negative times this negative is positive. And then the 2 times the 4y is 8y. Okay, the 2 times the 4y is 8y. And then we're going to keep going. The negative times the negative is a positive. Okay, And then the 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? So now again, you got negative 10y plus 15 plus 8y plus 4. Go ahead and do that one on your own. Okay? So what do?
Hey, we're going to go ahead and combine like terms, okay? We're going to get the 10y, negative 10y, and we're going to combine them with positive 8y. Don't forget the t-chart, please. Don't forget the t-chart. And what do we get as an answer, anybody? Anybody out there? Crickets. I hear crickets. Are you guys there? Wake up, please. Okay, what do we get? What do we get, everybody? Oh, yes, we get negative 2y.
Hey man, what about me, dude? What about the constants? Yeah, dude, that's gnarly, man. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and do the 15, and we're gonna do the plus 4. Yeah, dude. What's 15 plus 4? Yeah, that's 19. Very good, darling. Good job. Good job, Ethan. Way to rock it.
And there's your answer. Negative 2y plus 19. All right. Do we add them together? No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. All right. Cool. So make sure you're understanding this because you're going to do your own work. All right. Here we go. What's the scenario? Okay. What do we look for? Anybody? Leah, what do we look for? What are we looking for first? Leah. Yeah. Oh, you didn't feel confident in that one. Okay, which one? Which one?
Negative 3x
Times.
2x and negative 5.
Right. So you're gonna do the arrows, right? Very good. Yeah, I don't. You were like hesitating. So here we go. So negative times positive is negative, and then 3 times 2x is 6x. The next one, negative times a negative is a positive, and then 3 times 5 is 15. Very good. Now, what do I do with the 8? What do I do? Bring it down. Just drop it down. What about the negative 2x? Bring it down, right? So now we're going to do what's called combine like terms. So we're going to get the negative 2x minus the 6x, right? So I'm going to get this negative 2x minus the 6x t-chart, and my answer is negative 8x. Okay, now how about the next one? The next one is 15 plus 8. Oh, that's easy. That's 15, 21, 23. So your answer is plus 23. Okay, very good. A lot of you guys got it? Okay. How about Amanda? Amanda, what do I do first? Since you said it was easy, let's challenge Amanda. What do I do first?
I'm gonna go on my computer.
Oh, so now you're giving to give excuse, huh? I see how it is. All right. All right, next one. Let's see. How about Mariah? Mariah, what do I do first? Mariah.
What was the question you asked?
What do I do first? What do I do first? What do I look for? Huh?
Combine the 2 R's?
No. You haven't been paying attention. Ah, I see. See? So, no, you're looking for multiplication. So, negative 5r, leave it alone. How about negative 3 times? You're looking for your parentheses, basically. So, right here, there's your parentheses. I caught someone not understanding. Here I am already on number 8. Yeah, see? The trust is not there anymore. Oh, man. So now what do we do? Distributive property. This is problem number 8. So negative times negative is positive. Then we go ahead and 3 times 4r is 12r. See that? The next one, negative. So we're not combining the r's. You have to do your multiplication. So negative times positive is negative, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now, what do we do here? You guys remember that? Negative, negative 6? What do we change that to, Mariah? Redeem yourself, Mariah. Redeem yourself. What do we do here?
Change it to positive.
Yes, you redeemed yourself. Very good. So now it's positive 6. Mariah, redeem yourself. What do we do here with the negative 5r?
Bring it down.
Yeah, very good. Very good. So again, the first thing you do is distributive property. Now, let's do what we wrote right here, combine like terms. So now, Mariah, combine the r's. You got it? Now you could combine them. So the negative 5r with the 12r. So let's go ahead and do a T-chart. Okay. Oops, sorry. 5r, right there, sorry. The negative 5r with the positive 12r, my answer is positive, but by how many? So you subtract, so that's 7r, okay? And then Matthew Armas, what about negative 6 plus 6? What's that?
It would pretty much be 0.
Pretty much, yes, most definitely. Not pretty much, most definitely be a 0. So then that's your answer. 7r. 7r. You see that? Okay. There you go. That's it, guys. So again,